Hi all, I'm here with my son Ryan, and he's going to teach me how to play Clone Drone in the Danger Zone.
Hello everybody, yes, I will be teaching my dad how to play this super fun game. So let's do endless mode.
Matthew Castro.
So, I'm the robot
Greetings,
right
human.
Salutations, human. Welcome to Guy.
Welcome to Bronze. We picked some metals humans know about to freak them out.
Okay.
If I die,
Defeat.
Oh my god.
it's
Power, Glover.
It could be
Let's play some endless mode.
Hooray.
So it's actually shift is to dash.
This is the Bronze tier. Analysis bar. All the tiers of endless mode.
Bronze, silver, gold, diamond, titanium, uranium, insanium.
To
So
hit
many.
the enemies, you have to left click to swing your sword. To move, W is to go forward. To go right, it's D. To go left, it's A. To go backwards, it's S.
God, why are there so many buttons?
To dash, it's shift. To jump, it's like this, pressing space. And then you just have to combine the keys by pressing A and B to like go around them. And use your mouse and move that to move where you look at. And like go around and hit them from behind so they don't hit you.
Victory. Nice.
It was okay.
So
Spear bots, attack.
you press
Run in a
E
pack.
to go into the
Jump up from the back.
Wow.
and you can get a bunch of upgrades. So, first, I'm probably gonna get an extra life.
Clone created.
So this means if you
Good.
die
The human
in
has
the
a backup.
combat zone,
You should always make a backup.
Yes.
come back to life immediately. Oh, that's cool.
Not actually, but you do come back to life if you die. You can see at the top left of the screen, there's a heart. That heart represents the lives you have. So I have one, and I have to go back alive.
Victory.
Well, that's
Victory.
annoying. Instead of
Very
going,
nice.
So you have to bring circle around them.
More one-sword robots with honor.
Okay.
A stylish way to kill the human.
Yes.
I'm gonna go back to the upgrade. What should I get? I think I'm gonna get the not protected.
So now it's harder for them to kill you.
Yeah.
Good.
Okay, these guys also farm now.
What? That's not fair.
Yeah, but they're still
Victory.
Hooray.
you killed
The
my
human won a
first
bronze
round
level.
so quick.
The reward is that we build the racer's mind.
Not yet.
An armored challenger appears.
Now you
And
go
it's
get-
two
and
friends.
Each time
They
you
work
leave,
well
you go get
together.
a new upgrade.
Yeah, I'm gonna use this because you can
Okay.
just whack.
And what do I have to press for kick?
Right click
Right click to kick.
yeah.
Silver tier.
Should be better than bronze.
This is
Let's watch.
as you can see, there's a hammer dude.
Whoa.
Now,
I'm really coming after you.
boom,
You
like that.
died! Alright, now I'll
Clone
try.
activated.
Let's switch. I
Alright,
don't know how I'm gonna do this.
okay.
I've got old reflexes.
Now you
All
have
right,
to
so what
use
do
your
I do
mouse
here?
to look. Go to the right.
Go to the right, yeah.
Go over there and press W.
W, okay.
You can hold it. Don't go to upgrade.
Now what do I press? E?
No, don't go to the upgrade. Don't.
Why?
Go behind you. You don't have anything to upgrade yet.
Oh,
Also, when you die, you lose all your upgrades, so you're pretty much restarting.
oh my god, this is so cool. The elevator's going up.
Turn around.
Turn around?
You're gonna die.
How do I? Ah! I can't. god, I'm already dead.
Okay, go back to main menu.
Now
This
what
was
do
a
I
nice
do?
Go to
human.
main menu.
It tried its
I think we should
best.
try an easier
Very
difficulty
earnest.
right now.
Oh my god, the sound quality is amazing.
I know. Now play single player.
Alright,
Go to story mode. Go
alright.
to difficulty. Oh, never mind then.
Nina Ruiz.
W, you hold it.
Unbeknownst to the human, we are using their fighting pattern to make better robots.
I think the human knows to growl.
Irrelevant. The human will die soon.
No, you don't have a bow. You gotta go forward.
Gotta go towards him.
Yeah. And press B.
Oh yeah! Did I get it?
Victory!
Alright!
We don't test roll performance.
Press
Its
B.
consciousness is not unique. We will make another one.
Dodge.
What can we expect from the next challenge?
The human managed to defeat a single swordsman. We will see if it can handle multiple opponents.
This should be interesting.
Okay, now click on an upgrade you want.
Alright, so I'm gonna take bow.
Or-
I need a bow. Ooh, that's
Okay, now
cool.
press 2 to equip the bow.
2?
Yeah, 2.
Alright.
Okay, now hold click to charge up the bow, then let go.
What do you mean hold click?
And then shoot. You aim, you see your crosshair is right in the middle of the screen, and you have to get that onto the enemy.
Did I get him?
No.
How come I'm missing him? Oh my god! I'm so crap at this game!
Poor human, we hardly knew you.
Nor do we wish to
I
know
feel
you.
like you should probably try to like dodge by pressing D or A on the keyboard.
I'm not ready for this game. This is too advanced for me.
Not advanced at all.
Oh my god. Alright, let's stop this video.
Okay then.
How do you stop it? Oh my god. So bad.
Alright. Thank you for watching me try to teach my dad how to play this game. Bye.